Okay guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you basic market structures. And today I'm going to be talking about swing, what a proper swing is, and we are going to identify a fake and an original swing in the market, right? So I'm going to start with the fake one so that we can be able to know the real one. The real one is typically prevalent in the market. You can see it oftentimes, every time, but it will be hard for you to identify the fake one. So, but then I'm going to start with the fake one so that when you know the real one, you know that this is a basic swing. Like this is a swing in the market, right? This is a proper swing in the market. Now, I'm going to start by showing us what a swing is. Then what is a swing? Let's start by definition. A swing in a common English is movement, or swinging is the movement of an object from a particular region or a particular point to another point, moving from one point to another. That is called swinging, right? So we can say that this particular object actually swung from here to this place, right? Just like in pendulum. If you are familiar with physics, you know that, but swing is probably a very common English. Now, bringing it to the chart, we can say that swing is the sweep or break of a previous candle, right? You see this particular first candle, this one, this is a candle, right? Yeah, then this other one in the middle, will either sweep or break this. Then this other last one will break this, right? This is what is going to make here a full swing. It's going to make this a full swing. This is a full swing. This other candle, this first candle, will either be broken or swept by the middle candle, right? Then the next candle that forms will break or sweep this candle, this previous candle. So this three candle formation is called what? A swing, right? It's called a swing. Now this is the original swing that I'm talking of, the original swing or the original market swing that we know. Then now this is the trick and the fake one. Now we have the fake swing to be this, and you have a candle form inside, right? And we have another candle that breaks out, right? This is a fake swing, right? A fake swing and an original swing. Now you see that the two of them have something in common, which is the three candle formation. There are three candles, but then this other one didn't break out. It didn't break the previous one. It didn't break this center one. Didn't break this previous one, and it didn't also sweep it. So that is why it's not a swing. It is a force movement in the market, and some people do use it as a swing. Now let me identify a swing, a force swing, to you using this chart, right? So this is an example of what we have as a fake swing. Now this market, say, has been moving up, right? So identifying a fake swing, you can see that this candle is a full range that covers so many candles. It covers so many candles in between. Now we have about 4 candles that are inside this whole candle. Now somebody will take this, might actually want to take this as a swing. Let me use parts. Somebody might want to use this as a swing, right? So don't mind this, right? So somebody might want to use this as a swing, right? But then it is not a swing, it's a force swing. Why? Because these 1, 2, 3 candles, 1, 2, 3, 4 candles are inside this particular whole candle, right? They are inside that candle, so therefore it is not considered a swing. Now, so many people might want to place their orders here, and it might be a kind of disastrous, right? It can be a kind of disaster because they'll either be swept or the price might not actually hold, right? So it is important that we identify a true swing in the market. Now, this is a true swing in the market, an original swing in the market. Right here we have a candle that is broken by this or swept by this. This candle swept this other previous candle and broke it. You can see that this is a full swing. This is what? A full swing, right? Now this here too is a full swing. We have a candle, a single candle that is swept by this other candle and is broken by this other candle, right? So this is a full swing, right? So we have a full swing here, we have a full swing here, but this particular one is a false swing. Why? Because we have the whole of this candle covering these other candles, right? So we can now regard it as a swing whereby this particular candle has swept this high. Now we can say that we have a swing, right? So this basically is what the swing is in the market and how to identify it. So please do well to subscribe and like our videos. If there's any question, you can drop it on the comment section so we can be able to answer it. Thank you so much for watching the video, and peace.